Good morning to you all. Today I wish to discuss 100 MCQ covering the topic of chemistry, that is equilibrium, redox reaction and electrochemistry. These questions are aligned with the NEET and other competitive exams pattern. In case of any doubt in any question or answer, please verify from textbook. I will try to discuss each and every question in the better way, but if you have any doubt in any question or answer, please verify from textbook. Question number 1. At equilibrium, the rate of forward reaction is option A 0, option B equal to the rate of backward reaction, C greater than the rate of backward reaction, D independent of the backward reaction. The correct answer is B, that is equal to the rate of backward reaction. At equilibrium, the rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction. Hence, option B is correct. Question number 2. For a reaction N2 plus 3H2 equal to 2NH3, the equilibrium constant Kc is for reaction N2 plus 3H2 is equal to 2NH3. The equilibrium constant Kc is option A depends on pressure, option B depends on concentration, option C depends only on temperature, option D is always constant. The correct answer is C, depends only on temperature. The option C is correct. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding equilibrium? Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding equilibrium? Option A, it is dynamic in nature. Option B, it can only be achieved in the closed system. Option C, it involves equal concentration of reactants and products. Option D, the rate of forward and reverse reaction is same at equilibrium. The correct answer is C. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding equilibrium? All are correct except C, that it involves equal concentration of reactants and product. It is a wrong statement, hence option C is correct. Question number 4. In the reaction PCl5 is equal to PCl3 plus Cl2, the addition of PCl3, option A, shift equilibrium to the right, B, shift equilibrium to the left, C, has no effect on equilibrium, D, stops the reaction. In the reaction PCl5 is equal to PCl3 plus Cl2, the addition of PCl3 will shift equilibrium to the left. That is option B is correct. Question number 5. The pH of a solution of weak acid can be calculated by using the pH of a solution of weak acid can be calculated by using option A, K and initial concentration of the acid Ka and the initial concentration of acid, B, Kb and initial concentration of the acid, C, pOH of the solution, D, volume of the solution. The pH of a solution of weak acid can be calculated by using Ka and initial concentration of acid. The option A is correct. Question number 6. The oxidation state of chlorine in ClO ion. The oxidation state of chlorine in ClO ion. Option A -1, option B +1, option C +3, option D -2. The oxidation state of chlorine in ClO ion is +1. Hence option B is correct. Question number 7. Identify the reducing agent in the reaction. Identify the reducing agent in the reaction 2Fe3 plus 2I minus is equal to 2Fe2 plus I2. So identify the reducing agent in the reaction. The reducing agent in the reaction is I minus. Hence option C is correct. The options A Fe3 plus no, option B Fe2 plus no, option D I2 no. But the reducing agent in the reaction is I minus. Hence option C is correct. Question number 8. Which of the following is a redox reaction? Which of the following is a redox reaction? Option A AgNO3 plus NaCl is equal to AgCl plus NaNO3. B H2 plus Cl2 is equal to 2HCl. C NaOH plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus H2O. D NH3 plus H2O is equal to NH4 ion plus OH ion. The option B is correct. H2 plus Cl2 is equal to 2HCl. So it is a redox reaction. Option B is correct. Question number 9. In the reaction Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6Fe2 plus 4H plus is equal to 2Cr3 plus 6Fe3 plus 7H2O. The equivalent weight of FeSO4 is option A the molar mass, option B molar mass upon 2, option C molar mass upon 3, option D or molar mass upon 6. The correct answer is A the molar mass. The equivalent weight of FeSO4 is molar mass. Hence option A is correct. Question number 10. Disappropriation reaction involve the disproportion. The disproportional reaction involve option A oxidation only, option B reduction only, option C both oxidation and reduction of the same species, D exchange of electron between the two species. Disproportion reaction involve option A oxidation, B reduction, C both oxidation and reduction of the same species, D exchange of electron between two species. So option C is correct. That is both oxidation and reduction of the same species. Hence option C is correct. Question number 11. The electrode potential of a metal depends on option A nature of electrode, option B temperature, option C concentration of ion in the solution, option D all the above. Because all are correct. The electrode potential of a metal depends upon nature of electrode, yes correct, temperature, yes correct, C concentration of ion in the solution, yes correct. Hence all are correct. It means D is the option. Question number 12. The standard electrode potential of Zn2 plus oblique Zn is minus 0.76 volt. This means the standard electrode potential of Zn2 plus oblique Zn is minus 0.76 volt. This means option A Zn is a strong oxidizing agent, B Zn is a strong reducing agent, option C Zn cannot displace hydrogen from acid, D Zn has a positive reduction potential. The correct answer is B. Zn is a strong reducing agent. Option B is correct. Question number 13. Which of the following is a primary cell? Which of the following is a primary cell? Option A lead acid battery, option B Daniell cell, option C lithium ion cell, option D fuel cell. The correct answer is Daniell cell. Daniell cell is a primary cell, rest are secondary cell. Question number 14. The quantity of electricity required to deposit 1 mole of a substance during electrolysis is. The quantity of electricity required to deposit 1 mole of a substance during electrolysis is option A 96500 coulomb, option B 1 Faraday, option C depends on the valency of substance, D all the above. So all are correct. The quantity of electricity to deposit 1 mole of a substance during electrolysis is 96500 coulomb, correct, 1 Faraday, correct, depends on the valency of substance, correct. All the above are correct. Hence option D is correct. Question number 15. In a galvanic cell, the cathode is option A positively charged, option is negatively charged, option D where oxidation occurs, D cannot act as a reducing agent. So in a galvanic cell, the cathode is a positively charged. Option A is correct. Question number 16. The equilibrium constant for a reaction is 10. The equilibrium constant for a reaction is 10. If reaction is reversed, the new equilibrium constant is. The equilibrium constant for a reaction is 10. If the reaction is reversed, the new equilibrium constant is option A 0.1, option B 10, option C 1, option D 100. The correct answer is 0.1 because it will be new equilibrium constant will be 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Option A is correct. Next question, question number 17. The value of Kp for a reaction is affected by, option A pressure, option B catalyst, option C temperature, option D volume. The correct answer is C temperature. The value of Kp for a reaction is affected by temperature. Question number 18. For a reaction H2 plus I2 is equal to 2HI, the expression for Kc is, for a reaction H2 plus I2 is equal to 2HI, the expression for Kc is option A Hi square oblique H2I2, B H2I2 oblique Hi square, C Hi upon H2I2, option D H2I2 dot Hi square. The correct answer is A Hi square oblique H2I2. The option A is correct. Question number 19. If Kc for a reaction is very high, it indicates. If Kc for a reaction is very high, it indicates option A equilibrium lies far to the right, option B equilibrium lies far to the left, option C the reaction is very slow, option D the reactants are stable. The correct answer is A equilibrium lies far to the right. Option A is correct. Question number 20. In a chemical reaction, the equilibrium is attained when, option A the concentration of reactants and product becomes equal, B the rate of forward reaction becomes 0, C the rate of forward and reverse reaction becomes equal, D no more product are found. The correct answer is C the rate of forward and reverse reaction becomes equal. In a chemical reaction, the equilibrium is attained when the rate of forward and reverse reaction becomes equal. The option C is correct. Question number 21. Which factor does not affect the equilibrium constant? Option A pressure, option B temperature, option C catalyst, option D nature of the reactants. The correct answer is C the catalyst. Which factor does not affect equilibrium constant? The correct answer is C catalyst. Catalyst does not affect the equilibrium constant. Hence it is the correct. Question number 22. The pH of a solution at equilibrium can be calculated by using the pH of a solution can be calculated by using option A Kc and pH ion concentration, B temperature only, C catalyst concentration, D total volume of the solution. Again we will find the value is given by pH of a solution at equilibrium can be calculated by using option A Kc and H ion concentration, B temperature only, C. Catalyst concentration. D. Total volume of the solution. The correct answer is A. Kc and H ion concentration. The pH of a solution at equilibrium can be calculated by using Kc and H ion concentration. Hence option A is correct. Question number 23. For an exothermic reaction increasing the temperature. For an exothermic reaction increasing the temperature, option A increases Kc, option B decreases Kc, option C has no effect on Kc, D causes no shift in equilibrium. The correct answer is B, decreases Kc. For an exothermic reaction, increasing the temperature will decrease Kc. Question number 24. Chatelayer principal state. Chatelayer principal states. Option A, the reaction quotient equals the equilibrium constant at equilibrium. B, equilibrium shift to counteract any applied change. C, a catalyst increases the equilibrium constant. D, pressure has no effect on equilibrium. The correct answer is B, equilibrium shift to the counteract any applied change. The option B is correct. Question number 25. The reaction CaCO3 equals to CaO plus CO2 increasing pressure. In a reaction CaCO3 equals to CaO plus CO2 increasing pressure, option A favors the forward reaction, B favors the reverse reaction, C has no effect, D stops the reaction. The correct answer is B, favors the reverse reaction. Option B is correct. Question number 26. The oxidation states of nitrogen N2O5. The oxidation state of nitrogen in N2O5, option A plus 3, option B plus 5, option C plus 4, option D minus 3. The correct answer is B plus 5. The oxidation state of nitrogen in N2O5 is plus 5. The option B is correct. Question number 27. In a redox reaction, the substance that gets oxidized. In a redox reaction, the substance that gets oxidized, option A gains electron, option B loses electron, option C acts as an oxidizing agent, option C undergoes no change. The correct answer is B, loses electron. In a redox reaction, the substance that gets oxidized is B, loses electron. Option B is correct. Question number 28. The equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic medium is. The equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic medium is. Option A molar mass upon 2, option B molar mass upon 3, option C molar mass upon 5, option D molar mass upon 1. The correct answer is C, molar mass upon 5. The equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic medium is molar mass upon 5. Option C is correct. Question number 29. A disproportion reaction is exhibited by. A disproportion reaction is exhibited by option A H2, option B Cl2, option C CO2, option D NH4 ion. The correct answer is B, Cl2. A disproportion reaction is exhibited by Cl2. Question number 30. Which of the following act as both oxidizing and reducing agent? Which of the following acts as both oxidizing and reducing agent? Option A H2O2, option B O2, option C KMnO4, option D NaOH. The correct answer is A, H2O2. H2O2 acts both as oxidizing and reducing agent. Question number 31. The reduction half reaction of the following is Zn plus U plus 2 equal to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. The reduction half reaction in the following Zn plus U plus 2 equals to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. option A, Zn is equal to Zn plus 2 minus B, Cu plus 2e minus equal to Cu plus 2 equal to Cu plus 2e minus D, Zn plus 2e minus equal to Zn. The correct answer is B, Cu plus 2e is equal to Cu. It is the reduction half reaction of the following. So from this we will get B, Cu plus 2e minus equal to Cu. So option B is correct. Question number 32. The oxidation number of oxygen in OF2 is, the oxidation number of the oxygen in OF2 is option A minus 2, option B plus 2, option C 0, option D plus 1. The correct answer is plus 2. The oxidation number of oxygen in OF2 is plus 2. Question number 33. Identify the oxidizing agent in H2O2 plus 2Fe plus 2 plus 2H plus equal to 2Fe plus 3 plus 2H2O. Identify the oxidizing agent in H2O2 plus 2Fe 2 plus 2H plus equal to 2Fe 3 plus 2H2O. So oxidizing agent is H2O2. So H2O2, that is option A is correct. So it is the oxidizing agent in the reaction. The option B is Fe2 plus, option C is H plus, option D is Fe3 plus. But it is the oxidizing agent is H2O2, hence option A is correct. Question number 34. Which reaction is not a redox reaction? Which reaction is not a redox reaction? Option A, H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. Option B, CuSO4 plus Zn is equal to ZnSO4 plus U. C, HCl plus NaOH is equal to NaCl plus H2O. D, Fe plus 2HCl is equal to FeCl2 plus H2. The correct answer is C. It is not a redox reaction. That is HCl plus NaOH is equal to NaCl plus H2 is not a redox reaction. Question number 35. Which is not an example of redox titration? Which is not an example of redox titration? Option A, iodometry. Option B, permagnometry. Option C, conductometry. Option D, dichrometry. The correct answer is C, conductometry. It is not an example of redox reaction. So conductometry is not an example of redox reaction. Question number 36. Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that option A, mass of substance deposited is directly proportional to charge passed. Option B, mass of the substance deposited is directly proportional to current efficiency. Option C, mass of the substance deposited is inversely proportional to charge passed. Option D, mass of the substance deposited depends on the electrode's potential. The correct answer is A, mass of the substance deposited is directly proportional to charge passed. So Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the mass of a substance deposited is directly proportional to charge passed. Question number 37. Conductivity of an electrolyte decreases with, the conductivity of an electrolyte decreases with option A, increase in temperature, option B, increase in dilution, option C, increase in ion concentration, option D, increase in mobility of ion. The correct answer is B, increase in dilution. The conductivity of electrolyte decreases with increase in dilution. Question number 38. The unit of molar conductivity is, the unit of molar conductivity is option A, Simon into meter, option B, Simon into meter per mole, option C, Simon into Simon per meter, option D, Simon into meter square. The option B is correct. The Simon meter square per mole is the unit of molar conductivity. Question number 39. The Nernst equation for a cell is, the Nernst nearest equation for a cell is option A, E is equal to E naught plus minus 0.059 upon n log Q. B, E is equal to E naught plus 0.059 upon n log Q. C, E is equal to E naught into Q. D is equal to 0.059 upon n into E naught. The null set equation of a cell is E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 upon n log Q. The option A is correct. Question number 40. The standard cell potential is positive when option A delta G is negative, option B delta G is positive, option C reaction is at equilibrium, the reaction does not occur. The standard cell potential is positive when delta G is negative. The option A is correct. The standard cell potential is positive when delta G is negative. Option A is correct. Question number 41. The voltage of a galvanic cell depends on option A electrode potential, option B number of electron transferred, option C concentration of ion, option D all the above. The correct answer is D, all the above. The voltage of a galvanic cell depends upon electrode potential, number of electron transferred, concentration of the ion, hence all are correct. Hence option D is correct. Question number 42. Fuel cell are the example of option A primary cell, option B secondary cell, option C electrolytic cell, option D none of the above. The correct answer is D, none of the above. Fuel cells are the example of none of the above. Neither primary cell nor secondary cell nor electrolytic cell. Question number 43. Which of the following cannot be used as an electrolyte in a battery? Which of the following cannot be used as an electrolyte in a battery? Option A KOH, option B H2SO4, option C NaCl, option D alcohol. The correct answer is D, alcohol. So which of the following cannot be used as an electrolyte in a battery? Alcohol cannot be used as an electrolyte in a battery. Question number 44. For Zn, Zn plus 2, 1 molecule, Cu plus 2, 1 mole, Cu, if E naught Zn plus 1 oblique Zn plus 2 oblique Zn is equal to minus 0.76 volt, and E naught Cu plus 2 oblique Cu is equal to plus 0.34 volt, the cell potential is, if Zn oblique Zn plus 2 1 mole, Cu plus 2 1 mole, Cu, if E naught Zn plus 2 oblique Zn is equal to minus 0.76 volt, and E naught Cu plus 2 oblique Cu equal to plus 0.34 volt, the cell potential is, you will add 0.34 plus मतलब minus plus हो जाएगा plus 0.76, that is equal to 1.10 volt. Option A is correct. So the cell potential will be equal to 1.10 volt. Hence option A is correct. In an electrolytic cell, the anode is option A positive, option B negative, option C neutral, option D reducing agent. The correct answer is A, positive. In an electrolytic cell, the anode is positive. Question number 46. In molten NaCl electrolysis, the product at cathode is, the product at cathode is option A Na plus, option B Cl2, option D C Na, option D H2. The correct answer is C Na. In molten NaCl electrolysis, the product of cathode is Na. So option C is correct. Question number 47. The charge of 1 mole of electron is, the charge on 1 mole of electron is, option A 96500 coulomb, option B 1 Faraday, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Charge on 1 mole of electron is 96500 coulomb and 1 Faraday. Both are correct and C is correct. Question number 48. The resistance of an electrolyte solution is measured using, the resistance of an electrolyte solution is measured by using option A potentiometer, option B conductometer, option C galvanometer, option C ohm meter. The correct answer is B, conductometer. The resistance of electrolyte solution is measured by conductometer. Question number 49. The electrochemical series helps in predicting, the electrochemical series helps in predicting, option A cell voltage, option B reactivity of metals, option C feasibility of redox reaction, option D all the above. The correct answer is all the above, because electrochemical series helps in predicting cell voltage, reactivity of metals and feasibility of redox reaction. So hence option D is correct. Question number 50. The standard hydrogen electrode potential is, the standard hydrogen electrode potential is, option A 1 volt, option B 0.059 volt, option C 0 volt, option D minus 1 volt. The correct answer is C, 0 volt. The standard hydrogen electrode potential is at 0 volt. Option C is correct. Question number 51. Which of the following does not change the equilibrium position? Which of the following does not change the equilibrium position? Option A adding to a catalyst, option B changing temperature, option C changing pressure, option D changing concentration of reactants. Option A is correct, adding a catalyst. Option A is correct. Question number 52. The equilibrium constant for a reaction Kc, if the reaction is halved, the new equilibrium constant is, the equilibrium constant for a reaction is Kc. If reaction is halved, the new equilibrium constant is, option A Kc, option B under root Kc, option C Kc square, option D 1 upon Kc. The correct answer is B, under root Kc. The equilibrium constant will be under root Kc. Question number 53. The pH of a neutral solution at 50 degree is, the pH of a neutral solution at 50 degree is, option A 7, option B less than 7, option C greater than 7, option D 0. The correct answer is B, less than 7. pH of a neutral solution at 50 degree is less than 7. Option B is correct. Question number 54. A catalyst increases the rate of a reaction by, a catalyst increases the rate of a reaction by, option A shifting equilibrium to the right, option B increasing the activation energy, option C decreasing the activation energy, option D shifting equilibrium to the left. The correct answer is C, decreasing the activation energy. A catalyst increases the rate of reaction by decreasing the activation energy. Question number 55. For a reaction A plus B equal to C plus D, for a reaction A plus B equal to C plus D, the equilibrium constant Kc is 10. For a reaction A plus B equal to C plus D, the equilibrium constant Kc is 10. What happens if C and D are doubled? What happens if C and D are doubled? We have to decide what happens if C and D are double. So option A Kc increases, option B Kc decreases, option C Kc remains same, option D reaction stops. The correct answer is Kc will remain same. Option C is correct. Question number 56. In a reaction 2SO2 plus O2 is equal to 2SO3. In a reaction 2SO2 plus O2 equal to 2SO3, increasing the pressure. In a reaction 2SO2 plus O2 equal to 2SO3, increasing the pressure. Option A, shift the equilibrium to left. Option B, shift equilibrium to right. Option C, has no effect. Option D, decrease the rate of reaction. The correct answer is B, shift the equilibrium to the right. Shift the equilibrium to the right. Question number 57. The equilibrium constant for a reaction is 1. What does it indicate? The equilibrium constant for a reaction is 1. What does this indicate? Option A, forward reaction is favored. Option B, reverse reaction is favored. Option C, both reactants and products are equally favored. Option D, reaction does not occur. The correct answer is C, both reactants and product are equally favored. The correct answer is C. Question number 58. The solubility product KSP is applicable for. The solubility product KSP is applicable for. Option A, all reaction. Option B, springly solution salts. Option D, strong acids. Option D, gas phase reaction. The correct answer is B, springly soluble salt. The solubility product KSP is applicable for springly soluble salt. B is the correct answer. Question number 59. The reaction quotient Q is used. The reaction quotient Q is used to. Option A, predict the direction of a reaction. Option B, calculate the equilibrium constant. C, determine the rate of reaction. D, find the activation energy. The correct answer is A. The reaction quotient is used to predict the direction of a reaction. Question number 60. When a small amount of CH3COH is added to a buffer solution of CH3CONA, when a small amount of CH3COH is added to a buffer solution of CH3CONA, then the pH is option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains almost constant, option D becomes 0. When a small amount of CH3COH is added to a buffer solution of CH3CONA, then pH will increase, B decrease, C remains almost constant, D almost 0. The correct answer is C. It remains almost constant. The correct answer is the pH will remain almost constant, hence option C is correct. Question number 61. Which element does not show disproportion? Which element does not show disproportion? Option A, Cl, option B, Br, option C, F, option D, I. The correct answer is CF. Which element does not show disproportion? So that is C. F will not show disproportion. Question number 62. In a reaction Fe plus 2 plus MnO4 ion plus H ion is equal to Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2 plus H2. The oxidizing agent is. In reaction Fe plus 2 plus MnO4 ion plus H ion equal to Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2 plus H2, the oxidizing agent is option A, Fe plus 2, option B, MnO4 minus, option C, H plus, option D, Fe plus 3. The correct answer is MnO4 minus. This is the oxidizing agent in this reaction. So B option is correct. Question number 63. Identify the substance reduced in the reaction. Identify the substance reduced in the reaction H2S plus Cl2 is equal to 2HCl plus S. Identify the substance reduced in the reaction H2S plus Cl2 is equal to 2HCl plus S. Option A Cl2, option B H2S, option C S, option D HCl. The correct answer is A Cl2. Identify the substance reduced in the reaction. The substance reduced is Cl2. Question number 64. The equivalent weight of Na2S2O3 in its reaction with iodine is. The equivalent weight of Na2S2O3 in its reaction with the iodine is option A molar mass, option B molar mass upon 2, option C molar mass upon 3, option D molar mass upon 5. The correct answer is B, the molar mass upon 2. The equivalent weight of Na2S2O3 in its reaction with iodine is molar mass upon 2. Option B is correct. Question number 65. In a redox reaction, the reducing agent option A gains electron, option B loses electron, option C is oxidized, option D both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. In a redox reaction, the reducing agent loses electron, is oxidized. So both are correct, hence both B and C are correct. Option D is correct. Question number 66. Which reaction is not a redox? Which reaction is not a redox? Zn plus USO4 is equal to ZnSO4 plus U. It is a redox. 2H2O2 is equal to 2H2O plus O2. It is also a redox. AgNO3 plus HCl is equal to AgCl plus HNO3. It is not a redox reaction. Hence option C is correct. Or D Fe plus S is equal to FeS. It is not a redox. Hence option C is correct. That is AgNO3 plus HCl is equal to AgCl plus HNO3. So option C is correct. Question number 67. In Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14H plus 6E minus is equal to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. The number of moles of the electron exchange per molecule of Cr2O7 twice minus is in Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electron is equal to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. The number of mole of electron exchange per mole of Cr2O7 twice minus is option A 6, option B 2, option C 3, option C D 7. The correct answer is A, that is 6. Question number 68. The balancing a redox reaction is based on option A mass balance only, option B charge balance only, option C both mass and charge balance, option D reaction mechanism. The correct answer is C, both mass and charge balance. Question number 69. The oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4 is. The oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4 is option A plus 6, option B plus 4, option C plus 2, option D 0. The correct answer is A plus 6. The oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4 is plus 6. Question number 70. During the rusting of iron, the reduction half reaction involved. During the rusting of iron, the reduction half reaction involved option A Fe plus 2 equal to Fe plus 3 plus E minus, or B O2 plus 4E minus plus 4H plus is equal to 2H2O, C Fe plus 2H plus is equal to Fe plus 2 plus H2, option D O2 plus 2H2O is equal to 4OH minus. The correct answer is B, O2 plus 4E minus plus 4H plus is equal to 2H2O. The correct answer is B. It is the rusting of iron, the reduction of half reaction involved. Question number 71. The EMF of a cell becomes zero when Option A, the reaction reaches maximum. Option B, E naught is equal to 0. Option C, concentration of reactants becomes 0. Option D, temperature is increased. The correct answer is A, the reaction reaches equilibrium. Question number 72. In Daniell cell, the salt bridge. In Daniell cell, the salt bridge. Option A, prevent diffusion of ions. Option B, allow the flow of ions to maintain neutrality. Option C, acts as a cathode. Option D, increase EMF. The correct answer is B, allow the flow of ion to maintain neutrality. In Daniell cell, the salt bridge allow the flow of ion to maintain neutrality. Question number 73. Which of the following does not conduct electricity? Which of the following does not conduct electricity? Option A, NaCl in water. Option B, solid NaCl. Option C, molten NaCl. Option D, aqueous NaCl. All will conduct except solid NaCl. Correct answer is B. Which of the following does not conduct electricity? Solid NaCl does not conduct electricity. Question number 74. For a shell, reaction Zn plus Cu plus 2 is equal to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. The free energy change is. For a cell reaction Zn plus Cu plus 2 equal to Zn plus 2 plus Cu, the free energy change is. Option A, positive. Option B, 0. Option C, negative. Option D, cannot be determined. The correct answer is C, negative. The free energy change is negative. Option C is correct. Question number 75. The electrochemical series helps in predicting. The electrochemical series helps in predicting. Option A, feasibility of a redox reaction. Option B, oxidation potential. Option C, reduction potential. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is D, all the above, because electrochemical series helps in predicting feasibility of a redox reaction, correct? Oxidation potential, correct? Reduction potential, correct? So option D is correct. Question number 76. The molar conductivity at infinite dilution is determined by using. The molar conductivity at infinite dilution is determined by using Kolrosk's law, Faraday's law, Nernst's law, Hess law. The correct answer is Kolrock law. Option A is correct. Question number 77. Standard EMF of a cell is positive. This indicate. The standard EMF of a cell is positive. This indicate. Option A, reaction is non-spontaneous. Option B, reaction is spontaneous. Option C, reaction is at equilibrium. Option D, cell cannot function. The correct answer is B, the reaction is spontaneous. Option B is correct. Question number 78. The unit of specific conductivity is. The unit of specific conductivity is. Option A, Simon per meter. Option B, Simon per centimeter. Option C, Simon into meter square per mole. Option D, Simon into centimeter square. The correct answer is B, Simon per centimeter. However, it may be also Simon per meter. So both may be correct. Hence, option A and B both are correct. Simon per centimeter or Simon per meter. The question number 79. The molten electrolysis of Al2O3, the cathode reaction is. In a molten electrolysis of Al2O3, the cathode reaction is. Option A, Al plus 3E minus is equal to Al. B, Al is equal to Al plus 3E minus. C, O2 minus is equal to O2 plus 2E minus. D, O2 plus 4E minus is equal to 2O2 minus. Option A is correct, that is Al plus 3E minus is equal to Al. Question number 80. The fuel cell produce energy by using. The fuel cell produce energy by using. Option A, combustion. Option B, chemical reaction with oxygen. Option C, radioactive decay. Option D, photochemical reaction. The correct answer is chemical reaction with oxygen. The fuel cell produce energy by using chemical reaction with oxygen. Question number 81. The equilibrium constant Kc for a reaction increases with. The equilibrium constant Kc for a reaction increases with. Option A, increase in temperature for exothermic reaction. Option B, increase in temperature for endothermic reaction. Option C, addition of catalyst. Option D, increase in concentration of reactants. The correct answer is B, increase in temperature for an endothermic reaction. B is correct. Question number 82. Which statement is true for a chemical equilibrium? Which statement is true for a chemical equilibrium? Option A, forward and reverse reaction stops. Option B, the concentration of reactants and product are equal. Option C, rates of forward and reverse reaction are equal. Option D, only forward reaction occurs. The correct answer is C, the rate of forward and reverse reactants are equal. The rate of forward and reverse reactions are equal. Which statement is true? The C statement is true, that is rate of forward and reverse reaction are equal. Question number 83. Which condition favors maximum yield in a Haber's process for ammonia synthesis? Which condition favors maximum yield in the Haber's process for ammonia synthesis? Option A, high temperature and low pressure. Option B, high temperature and high pressure. Option C, low temperature and low pressure. Option D, low temperature and high pressure. The correct answer is D, that is low temperature and high pressure. Which condition favor the maximum yield in Haber process for ammonia synthesis? That low temperature and high pressure favors. Question number 84. In a reaction of PCl5, PCl equal to PCl3 plus Cl2, adding PCl3 at equilibrium will, in a reaction of PCl5 is equal to PCl3 plus Cl2, adding PCl3 at equilibrium will. Option A, shift the equilibrium to right. Option B, shift the equilibrium to left. Option C, not affect equilibrium. Option D, increase the rate of reaction. The correct answer is B, shift the equilibrium to the left. Question number 85. The pH of a solution decreases when. The pH of a solution decreases when. Option A, acid is added. Option B, base is added. Option C, salt is added. Option D, water is added. The correct answer is A, the acid is added. The pH of a solution decreases when acid is added. Option A is correct. Question number 86. Which of the following undergo both oxidation and reduction in the same reaction? Which of the following undergoes both oxidation and reduction in the same reaction? Option A, H2O2. Option B, KMnO4. Option C, Cl2. Option D, HCl. The correct answer is A, H2O2. Which of the following undergoes both oxidation and reduction in the same reaction? The option A is correct, that is H2O2. Question number 87. The oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4 is. The oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4 is option A +2, option B +4, option C +6, option D +7. The correct answer is D, +7. Question number 88. The reducing agent in 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO is. The reducing agent in 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO is. Option A, O2, option B, Mg, option C, MgO, option D, none of these. The correct answer is B, Mg. The reducing agent in the reaction 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO is Mg. Question number 89. In acidic medium, the equivalent weight of KMnO4 is. In acidic medium, the equivalent weight of KMnO4 is. Option A, molar mass. Option B, molar mass upon 2. Option C, molar mass upon 3. Option D, molar mass upon 5. The correct answer is D, molar mass upon 5. Question number 90. In the reaction of Cu plus 4HNO3 is equal to CuNO3 whole twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O. The reducing agent is, in a reaction, Cu plus 4HNO3 is equal to CuNO3 whole twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O. The reducing agent is option A HNO3, option B Cu, option C NO3 ion, option D NO2. The correct answer is B, Cu. In a reaction, Cu plus 4HNO3 is equal to CuNO3 whole twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2. The reducing agent is B, Cu. So option B is correct. The question number 91. Which of the following represent the primary cell? Which of the following represent the primary cell? Option A lead acid battery, option B fuel cell, option C dry cell, option D nickel cadmium battery. The correct answer is C, dry cell. Dry cell is a primary cell. Question number 92. The number of Faradays required to deposit 1 mole of aluminium from Al plus 3 is. The number of Faradays required to deposit 1 mole of aluminium from Al3 plus is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is C, that is 3. The number of Faradays required is 3. Question number 93. The Nernst equation is used to calculate. The Nernst equation is used to calculate option A cell EMF at non-standard condition, option B equivalent conductance, option C molar conductivity, option D resistance of electrolyte. The correct answer is cell EMF at non-standard condition. The Nernst equation is used to calculate cell EMF at non-standard condition. Question number 94. In electrolysis of water, the gas liberated at cathode is. In the electrolysis of water, the gas liberated at cathode is option A H2, option B O2, option C H2O, option D OH ion. The correct answer is A H2. In the electrolysis of water, the gas liberated at cathode is H2. Option A is correct. The question number 95. The unit of molar conductivity is. The unit of molar conductivity is option A Simon into centimeter, option B Simon into centimeter square per mole, option C Simon into meter square per mole, option D ohm into meter square per mole. The correct answer is B, Simon into centimeter square per mole. Question number 96. The Faraday's first law of electrolysis state that. The Faraday's first law of electrolysis state that option A molar of the mass of the substance deposited is directly proportional to equivalent weight. Option B mass of the substance deposited is directly proportional to current and time. Option C mass of the substance deposited is inversely proportional to current. Option D mass of the substance deposited is directly proportional to cell EMF. The correct answer is B, mass of the substance deposited is directly proportional to current and time. Question number 97. The electrode at which reduction occurs is. The electrode at which reduction occurs is option A anode, option B cathode, option C salt bridge, option D none of the above. The correct answer is B, cathode. The electrode at which reduction occurs is cathode. So option B is correct. Question number 98. The conductivity of a solution increases with. The conductivity of a solution increases with option A increasing dilution, option B increasing ion concentration, option C decreasing ion concentration, option D addition of a known electrolyte. The correct answer is B, increasing ion concentration. The conductivity of a solution increases with the increasing the ion concentration. Option B is correct. Question number 99. In a galvanic cell, electrons flow. In a galvanic cell, the electrons flow option A from cathode to anode, option B from anode to cathode, option C from salt bridge to electrolyte, option D don't flow. The correct answer is B, from anode to cathode. In a galvanic cell, the electron flow from anode to cathode. Option B is correct. Question number 100. Which electrolyte is used in lead acid battery? Which electrolyte is used in lead acid battery? Option A H2SO4, option B NaOH, option C KCl, option D NH4Cl. The correct answer is H2SO4. Which electrolyte is used in a lead acid battery? The answer is H2SO4. Option A is correct. I have discussed 100 MCQ questions of the chemistry which are related to the topics equilibrium, redox reaction and electrochemistry. These are important questions for NEET, JEE and other competitive exams. You may go through these questions and you may solve other questions based upon these questions. I have tried my best to solve these questions, to clear these questions, to explain these questions. These questions may be helpful to you for different exams. If you have any doubt in any question or answer, please verify from textbook. I have explained each and every term of this topic. If you like this video, please forward this video to your friends. Those are also preparing for NEET examination, for JEE examination, for CBSE examination and for other competitive exams. Please share and subscribe my channel. You may find more videos on physics and chemistry and mathematics for NDA, CDS, JEE and NEET exams. You may also find so many motivational videos on my channel. If you will subscribe my channel, it will be very good for others students. Those are also preparing. Please share this channel to those students who are also preparing for the different competitive exams. If you like my video, if you subscribe my video, then it will be a great help to the channel. Please subscribe and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.